Hi, I'm Tom Lydon here in Hollywood, Florida at the Inside ETF conference. I'm here with Jae Yoon, who's Chief Investment Officer in New York Life. Great to see you, Jay.
Yeah, nice to see you again.
There's a lot going on in the ETF space.
Yeah.
What are some of the important trends that you're noticing?
Yeah, so as an asset allocator, I see plenty of opportunities in equities where you've got choices.
Yeah.
There I would actually argue maybe the tools and education is more needed. In fixed income, we think there's opportunities for more solutions for our clients.
Yeah.
And that's where we're focusing.
So when you talk about fixed income, and,
Yeah.
and it's after a 30-year bull market in
Yeah.
bonds, now I think more than ever advisors are starting to step up.
Yep.
What are some areas they really need to focus in on?
Yeah, absolutely. So with the macro headwind and policy risks that everyone's talking about at the conference, we think it's very important for clients to look at their core fixed income holding. And we don't think passive investing is the right way to go. I think we've established that this morning. Where we're focusing on is generating a better source of alpha for our clients in the core fixed income category. And secondly, as they lean into income, we're looking for a better way to provide liquid, higher income while protecting their downside risk.
And what are some of the strategies you use to do just that?
Thanks for asking.
Yeah.
So in the core category, we actually have an ETF called AGGP. So what we have is a very well established active fixed income capabilities. What we've noticed is our active managers have utilized in a short-term signal momentum-based strategies to generate return, asset allocation return between interest rate and credit.
Right.
And so we've incorporated that in a smart beta ETF where we actually have, it's been running for a couple of years, it's generated great risk-adjusted return and a diversified source of alpha being momentum at a portfolio level. So your portfolio is benefiting from diversification while you're getting great risk-adjusted and absolute return.
Yeah. So let the winners run.
Yep.
Right.
Right.
And if in those areas, because fixed income is a lot of asset classes, right? So some might not be doing as well where others may be.
Absolutely.
This strategy really takes advantage of that?
Yes, absolutely. And then secondly, we have, again, in this economy where we think there's a couple more years to run, so you need to make sure you're leaning into risk, yet credit is so expensive, so people struggle. So to stay in fixed income, you're worried about the downside risk, but to get out, it's too costly. So we created an ETF called HYLV, High Yield Low Vol, which generates a good income while trying to reduce the downside protection. So it's a good trade-off using a factor-based approach.
Okay. Is it short duration on that, or how do you get
it's
the
not
lower
necessarily,
volatility?
it's a quantitative factor-based approach
Yeah.
where we are providing a optimal way to generate income with a trade-off of removing the riskier downside risk portfolio and providing liquidity, right?
Yeah.
Being able to trade this in a liquid fashion.
Great. And the ticker symbol on that again?
HYLV as in Victor.
Excellent.
For victory.
Okay. Well, thanks so much.
Sure.
It was great seeing you,
Nice to see
and look
you.
forward to spending time with you the next couple of days.
Yes, thank you.